What's going on, guys? My name is Aaron. Welcome to the channel where we talk all things marketing and crypto. And today is a day to be alive and investing in crypto because it's all up. Everything is up, and I feel good about it. I want to go into my wins in trading with Mana and how much I definitely won and took profit on, and definitely avoided a little dip. And then I'm going to talk to you about my losses with ADA, with VThor, with VET, with One. Those I'm losing on 4. But then BNB, again, to the moon because I got that on Pancake Swap Lock with BTC. And so it's also generating a lot of Pancake for me. I'm going to make a thing on Pancake Swap all separately. But for right now, I want to talk about my wallet in Binance. And so we're going to go ahead and switch to that wallet. This is actually an article. Let me get into this first. This is the article, which is, I'm going to post the link of it in the description below. But basically it's talking about how the government regulation and spending has gone crazy in 2020, and look, you could see the trend. Look, I'm not no statistician, economist, whatever, but I can tell when this line goes up, that's the percentage in government spending. It's a very interesting article read. I might do a whole separate video on that in the future. But yeah, it's worth a look. Anyway, here's my wallet. Again, last time we checked in, it was at like 33 something, and now it's 3569, which is a great upside. I'd rather see it go up than down. You know what I'm saying? So here you see 599 in my USD wallet, and so what I did was I bought Mana at 85 cents, and when I bought Mana at 85 cents, I was like, oh, discount bet, and so I knew that it already has a track record of hitting $1 and then falling down. So when it hit $1 late last night, I sold 50% of my Mana, which is Decentraland's native coin. And so I bought 570 Mana and I sold 50% at $1. And whenever I did that, I didn't want to exit totally my position on Mana. And so I sold 50% only at $1. And then I woke up the next morning and it was at $1.08. I was like, all right, great. I'm gonna wait for it to go to $10, or sorry, $1.10. So I put like a little sell order. I put that sell order in place at 110, and it sold. And I was like, yes. And you know, whenever you sell, you get a little scared that it's gonna keep on pumping and going up. Well, it didn't, because after that, it trickled down. And so here's the math on it. I bought 570 Mana at 85 cents. And I sold 50% at $1 and 50%, and the rest at $1.10. And so on average, it's $1.05. Okay, I made $57, which is an 11.7% profit take, and now it's dropped to $1.05. So I've made the maximum amount. It was the perfect sell time for that move. And so if it drops down to about 80 cents again, 85 cents, I'm going to pick it up again, and I'm going to keep rinsing and recycling. Hopefully I make another $57, another $57, and then with bigger sums, and we'll be moving on with that. Now, that was my take with this coin, Mana. Okay, it's Decentraland. You guys should check it out. Now, I still kept my position on BTC. Now, ADA, I'm looking to exit, and VThor, I'm looking to exit. I'm looking to exit VThor, VThor, the token, as soon as possible, because I bought it at 1 cent. I don't know. This is probably a rookie move. I buy cheap coins, and I hope they go like 3 cents, and I'm like triple and do it. But it hasn't done that, and if anything, it's gone down and it's stayed down. I think that's called a bag. I don't know, but I definitely want to exit as soon as possible because I want to take that money and place it in other places. I like ADA, but I'd want to buy ADA more towards the end of April rather than right now. I don't think it's going to do much until the end of April. So maybe mid-April is when I want to strengthen my position on ADA. When I say strengthen my position, I don't know what I'm talking about. I really am just parroting other people who say that. When I say strengthen my position, I mean I'm going to buy more ADA. I'm going to buy more Cardano. And it's cool because I believe in Bitcoin. I believe in Cardano as, investments. I would invest my money there and keep it there. Long-term holds, that's what I would want to do. I believe in VeChain. I believe in that. That solves real problems. Personally, I don't know enough, but I personally don't really believe in Decentraland. I think it's interesting. I think it's fascinating. I don't really believe in it. I think that something else would come out. I feel like it could be a fad. I don't really believe in one, but that's because I don't know much about it. And so those ones that I like trading in and out of, I like to hit the volatility, but they're not as volatile as... I only got into one because every time I look on Binance, it's like one of the highest moving or most volume. Like it's either super high, like most, increase, or most decrease. So I'm like, I like the volatility. I'm going to get into on that. But what I found out, here's the lesson that I learned. As a new investor, is that when I think I'm smart, when I see it rise and it hits green, then I'm like, oh wow, okay, so I'm not gonna buy now, but I'm gonna buy it when it dips. And when it slightly dips, that's when I buy. But it's still kind of high compared to what it is. So I bought, that's what happened when I bought One and Vitho, is that I bought it after it hit a high and it went down a little bit. And I'm like, oh yeah, I bought the dip, thinking it's gonna go up again. But in correlation to down here where it came from, it hasn't stopped coming down, so it kept on going down. And that's my mistake. So I'm just trying to get out of that as soon as possible. We'll see what happens. I'm not too sure what's going on there, but I've got $600 here to spend. I'm not sure what I like yet. I like looking at Zill. Where is Zill? Yeah, right here. I like it. I like looking at Zilliqa. I'm not sure exactly what that is. And Solana. These guys have been moving a lot, and so it's kind of like the game, right, of trading. I need to see how to do it. I want to get back into ETH because it's just so crazy what's happening right now. And of course, my BNB is just killing it. Again, I don't have BNB here. That's why you don't see it. It's in PancakeSwap trading as a pair, as a token with BTC. Anyway. That's pretty much the update on where I am and how I'm doing. Look, if you guys have any trading experience or expertise, let me know in the comment section below what kind of coins I should be looking at. What should I want to be getting into? If this is your thing, if it's not, then you could get whatever. Okay, no one's an expert here, or maybe there are experts out there. I don't know. I'm not one. And so yeah. Also, if you're a new trader, I really recommend you guys find this group. It's called. They've been very helpful. CryptoFi, I think it's CryptoFi. It's on Facebook, yeah, CryptoFi group, and it's a fantastic group. I'm asking questions all the time. I'm inside there, and I finally found my community. I might one day want to build my own community up, but I really want to give a shout out and a plug to someone who's answering my questions. I think his name is Jon Snow from Game of Thrones. But yeah, if you're brand new, I really recommend this group. At least I was put on this group just for normal people trying to figure out this whole Bitcoin whatever game on. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Wish me luck on finding out a new pair and a new trade. If you got any hot tips, please let me know. And I'll talk to you guys, soon. And if you like, please like and share. If you don't like a lot of videos, I really would love it if you like this video, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.